Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chevrolet Corvette in Fortnite. First, you'll need to launch the game and navigate to the correct mode. This special vehicle is available through a specific in-game event or purchase, not standard gameplay. We'll cover the exact method to ensure you can add this sleek car to your virtual garage. Follow these simple instructions to start cruising in style. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. To get the Chevrolet Corvette, you must first enter the rocket racing game mode within Fortnite. This mode is where you'll find the exclusive vehicle. Once in rocket racing, head to the in-game shop. The Corvette is usually available for direct purchase there. You'll need to have sufficient V-Bucks, which is the game's virtual currency. Typically, the cost is around 500 V-Bucks. Make sure your account is topped up before attempting the purchase. After successfully purchasing the Chevrolet Corvette, it will appear in your in-game locker. Navigate to your locker to equip it. You can then select the Corvette as your primary vehicle for the rocket racing mode. This ensures you'll be driving it in all your races. The Corvette offers unique handling and speed attributes, giving you an edge on the track. Get ready to experience thrilling races and show off your new ride. It's a fantastic addition to any player's collection. In summary, getting the Chevrolet Corvette in Fortnite involves entering the rocket racing mode and purchasing it from the shop with V-Bucks. Always keep an eye on the in-game store for new vehicle releases and special offers. Participating in various Fortnite events can also help you earn more V-Bucks, allowing you to expand your vehicle collection. Don't miss out on future opportunities to enhance your gameplay. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy racing!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.